Hey guys, it's Marco here, Fully Loaded Cars, and welcome back to our channel. And today we're working on this little pocket rocket of a Fiat 500. Believe it or not, this thing has got 3 turbos. That's right, 3 turbos. It's absolutely insane. That is not fast enough for this customer. So what he wants us to do is fit a carbon roof on. He wants to shed some weight off this thing. So this is what we're going to do today. I've already started prepping the roof from this bare carbon. There was no lacquer on it, so I've already lacquered it once. It's probably going to be lacquered 3 times at least to get rid of all the pinholes that you get on bare carbon. And then we'll go ahead and remove the roof and yeah, and then fit the other roof on. So I'll do a bit of time lapse and a bit of video. It'll be a short video. There's not a lot we're doing to this at the moment. It will be coming back for some more major work once all the tuning's done, and yeah, we'll keep you posted. Let's have a look under here. These 3 turbos. There you go. You have 2 electric turbos on top here, and then under the manifold under there, you can just see it, and through that gap is the conventional turbo that's connected to the manifold. This thing will be pushing out 650 horsepower estimated once it's all tuned up. So yeah, insane Fiat 500, and it will probably be the fastest Fiat 500 in the world. And I am just waiting for the windscreen guy to come and remove this front screen before we can remove the OEM roof skin. Yesterday I did prep and lacquer the new skin. That's full of imperfections. You can see it full of little fish eyes, and that's very common on these lacquer parts. So I will be sanding this down and re-lacquering it as many times as needed, so it looks like a piece of glass. So that might be another 2 times. I would estimate it will be at least another 2 times of lacquering before this is completely flat. So I just finished sanding the roof skin, and most of the fish eyes have gone. We've still got a few left. I'm probably going to have to lacquer it a couple of times before we get rid of it. And they're not fish eyes in the typical sense, or like imperfections, but they're just caused by the voids in the weave and the air that gets trapped in between them. And as you apply the lacquer, they just pop up and leave like the fish eyes effect. You see this bit here is, I could have sanded it a bit more, but I'd rather fill them than go through the lacquer. Yeah, so another 3 coats of lacquer, and then we'll sand it again, and then it will probably be okay for the final coat of lacquer, which will be a UV protective lacquer, or clear coat as they say in the States, and that'll give it the protection that it needs, because these carbon parts, they do tend to fade and the lacquer starts to peel. So I use a UV protective lacquer to avoid that. All the imperfections have gone. There is a little bit of dust which will polish out once it's been baked, but all the pinholes from the carbon have now all been gone, and that was achieved by applying multiple layers of lacquer, drying, sanding, and then repeating the process. The process was repeated 4 times in all, which gives us a total number of layers, 12 I believe, and it gives you that super deep finish. When you add that much of lacquer, it just amplifies whatever's underneath, in this case the carbon, and once this is polished it'll pop even more. Absolutely gorgeous weave on this carbon. Can't wait to see it on. So now that this is done, we'll get the screen out, we'll drill out the old roof, and then we'll set this roof in place, get it all lined up, and then get it all bonded. Hey guys, this beast is finally finished. Roof is on and soon it'll be off to the tuners, and it will be back in a couple of weeks for us to finish the interior. But for now, it's complete. At the moment, all our content is done on our iPhones and time-lapse. But if there's something different you'd like to see, leave us a comment down below and we'll try and do that for you. But for now, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.
Yeah.